In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wave text in Canva. If you've ever wanted to give your text a retro wave look, a flowing ocean style effect, or just something more dynamic than plain flat typography, Canva makes it surprisingly simple. Instead of manually adjusting letters one by one, you can use Canva's built-in tools and apps to shape text more smoothly and get a polished result faster. To get started, open your web browser, go to canva.com and sign in to your Canva account if needed. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This opens the menu where you can choose the size of your project. Next, select the canvas format that fits your design. For example, you can choose presentation if you want a wide layout, or Instagram post if you're designing for social media. After the blank canvas opens, go to the top menu, click File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This is a helpful step because it gives you visual boundaries so your waved text stays neatly inside a safe area. Now head over to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. At the top of that panel, use the search bar to look for Typecraft, then open the app from the search results. This is where you'll create the wave effect for your text. Once the app opens, type your text into the input field. For the best visual impact, choose a bold or heavy font, since thicker lettering usually makes the wave effect easier to see. You'll then notice anchor points around the text. These handles let you reshape the text into a wave. To build the wave, click and drag the top left anchor upward, then drag the top middle anchor downward. On the bottom row, pull the bottom left anchor upward and the bottom middle anchor downward to match the pattern. Continue repeating that rhythm across the remaining anchor points until the text forms a balanced wave. Take your time here because small adjustments can make a big difference in how smooth and natural the final result looks. When you're happy with the shape, choose your text color in the panel and click Add to Design. Canva will place the waved text onto your canvas where you can resize and reposition it to fit your layout. Finally, drag the text into place and use Canva's alignment guides to help center it or line it up with other elements. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then Download, choose PNG for a sharp, high-quality export, and click Download again. That's it. You now know how to create waved text in Canva and export it cleanly for your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll